morning and welcome to a little Christmas vlog. Today we are going to the Rochester Christmas markets. I got a coach there just so I could have a little Bailey's hot chocolate, and let me tell you, I did, and it was delicious. It had a flake and everything, and oh my god, it was so good. Anyway, it was a really sunny day, which I was so happy about, and guys, everything was so cute. Everything was decorated, there was Christmas music playing and people dressed up. It was just such good Christmas vibes all around. Of course I had to stop for a little coffee. I got a white mocha and I think they used real chocolate because it was so sweet, but it was honestly so good. I just had to get these tarot cards. I was obsessed from the moment I saw them. There was also this witchy store in the market, so I bought some spell jars from there, and can I say, the people were amazing and just so helpful. But anyway, let me stop talking and you can enjoy walking around the rest of the market and the cathedral.